Hey guys, if you're interested in how I made this here wonderful looking apple crisp, all you have to do is watch this video and you'll find out exactly how. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. So if you're here, then that means that you are interested in learning how to make an apple crumble or an apple crisp. I'm going to be putting the ingredients that you need on the screen. So first of all, I'm going to start with the filling mixture. So once I get the apples all peeled and everything, all I have to do is just throw that on them, and then I can get the oat crust done. So for the filling, we need 8 to 10 apples. It doesn't really matter what kind. It kind of depends on what you want. Then you need 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 1 pinch of salt. I don't think I'm going to add the salt though, because I'm choosing to use salted butter. So when that gets mixed in with the oats and when it kind of melts, it'll salt it just fine. So I'm not going to use salt. So I got my little bowl here. Got to get this angle all set up now. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up my dry ingredients so that once I get the apples all cut and everything, I can get them glazed with the sugar coating, and then I get them ready to bake, because I really don't want them to turn brown. Even though they're going to turn brown, they bake anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So we're going to start with our filling. Like I said, then you need 4 tablespoons of sugar. So I actually think that that's a lot of sugar. So I'm actually going to cut it down to 2 tablespoons. 1 and 2, especially because they're Macintosh and they're actually pretty sweet anyway. Alright, so then we need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon. Close enough. And then we need a cup of brown sugar. Just like that. So we got our sugar mixture all made up. Now we're going to make our oat mixture. So for that, we need 1 cup of cool butter, 2 cups of rolled oats, 1 cup of flour, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Alright, so now I'm going to set that aside and I'll deal with the butter part after. So it's just, there's my little oats mixture. Again, I'm just going to set it aside so I can get the apples done. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to start by peeling our apples, and then we're going to core them and slice them. I'm going to try peeling them with a peeler, but I don't know if that's going to work or not. This is probably easier. So as you can see, I've got my apples all completely sliced. They don't have to be perfect by any means. Then I got my sugar mixture that I made, and I'm gonna add that to the apples. And yes, I'm gonna be getting my hands dirty. Gotta get them all glazed, just like that. I just do it in the pan that they're in because that way, you know, it is what it is. Spread them out like that. Make sure they're nice and even. And you need about this much. So you're going to take your oats with the butter in it, and you're going to squish them together so that it makes a crumble. Get out of town, kitty cat. And you're going to keep going because it needs to be really, really crumbly. So I used in total about a half a cup of butter. Again, you don't want it like unchilled. You want it cold. All right, now I'm gonna bring this back over. So now we got our apples. All right, so now that we've got our apples out, again, we're going to start putting the crumble on top. Want to make sure it's a nice even layer. Just like that. And now the hard part. Push. Like that. You want to make sure it's pushed really firmly down. You actually don't want too much air in there, or else it'll just like toast the apples and not actually, you know, keep all the moisture in. So we're going to push it down. Just like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your apple crisp into the oven at 350, and it's going to take probably about 40 to 50 minutes. And you're going to leave it in there until the top is golden brown and there's bubbles coming up the sides. If you think it's been a little bit longer than 40 minutes, then feel free to take it out. I mean, it's not like an undercooked apple is going to hurt you. So, alright guys, so that is how I make my apple crisp. Here's the finished product. As you can see, it's very, very hot, very, very crispy. I'm very, very excited about it. It smells delicious in here. And yeah, very simple recipe. The hardest part is taking it out of the oven and not burning your hands. As long as you got these, you're fine. But yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know in the comments below if you like watching these baking videos, because I do like baking. It's probably the only kind of cooking I'm actually good at. So if you guys want more of those, definitely let me know in the comments below. The only way I know that you like a video is if you tell me you like a video. So yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys next week. Bye!